Hello and welcome to this very quick tip. This quick tip is about EdgeTX, particularly if you've updated recently and you're now on version 2.6, because there's one thing that seems to be catching a lot of pilots out. Now, if you go into the model menu and you scroll down to select what the internal RF needs to be, you can turn it off, or you can select the module that you have. The first time it will actually read in all of the protocols that you have available, and now in this latest version it's great. You can actually pick it all from this fab list, so you can find exactly what you want, and it makes it much easier to see which version you are after. However, there is a lot of pilots at the moment getting stuck because when they try and do this isn't what it looks like. It actually looks completely different. And that's because in 2.6 there's this new thing that allows you to tell the radio what the module inside is. Now, to do this, what we need to do is come out of here, press and hold the system menu, and then page across until we get to the hardware screen. In the hardware screen, this is normally where you'd play with things like the calibration for your sticks and set up how all your switches are working. However, if you go right down to the very bottom, there's this option here, which allows you to tell it which internal module you have selected. And obviously, if you are using a regular Radio Master or eSheen or something else that has a 4-in-1, then you're going to want to select multi. And if you have anything else selected, so say for example we now select CRSF, okay, and we return out of here. If we go into the model menu and then try and select the mode, look, we only have the option to select CRSF. So if you're in here trying to set up your bits and pieces after you have updated EdgeTX to 2.6, don't panic, just go into the system menu, make sure you page across the hardware part of the system menu, go right down to the very bottom past all the gubbins, and at the very bottom there is the option here to change the internal module. Make sure it's at multi, and then you'll get access to all of the options in the radio for all the different protocols that are available. Thank you for spending your time today watching that video. You can find me in all the usual places on social media, and if you're trying to learn about a subject, then check out the playlist. All of my videos are organized into easy to follow playlists that if you're trying to learn a topic will take you from the basics right the way through to some pretty advanced stuff.